Was good. I hope you're good. You don't have you don't have to worry. Kind of talking to myself nowadays, but soon the light will light it up. Anyways, 7 minutes to the open. We just have to settle after Monday. Things went sour on May. So currently, we have been actually. You know what I'm gonna do? I think let me just go 15 minutes then try and set up. Okay, this was so we can range at this point, even if this is where Monday really got tough for me. So we came tapped on the supply and we kind of pushed to the lower side, and now we're back at it. So I'll delete this because that's not what those are not the levels I want to pick. Wait, I should first of all unlock this and unlock. I usually use this type of value area. I'm from the east, so the R and L is a bit difficult for me. That's why it's kind of. Wait, you know what? I'm not. This is high. It was supposed to be high, not low. So I'll just delete these ones first, then get my profile. Usually I look at the entire day. I don't pick, and this is nice. This is something I would love to see. Yesterday is wait, let me just take first of all this one L. This is something I would love to see. Yesterday, this was the POC. We have a very, and actually we are above yesterday's value area, which was this demonstrated, session, demonstrated area right here. So this is a good thing to see up. Maybe we consolidate, then we break out. I don't know, but this is good. This is good. Today we might trend a bit because we still on that, kinda in a way a consolidated area. So wait, first of all let me check. On Monday, like, my battery died when I was live on the session. So yeah, right here is our POC highs right here. Apply, then let's copy this, then the low. Fine. So this is supposed to be high and low. Let me just lock this so that I might not try and touch. Lock. Cool. So this is 15 minutes, so we kinda still trending, but right here will be our supply. Right here, this is our supply, and our demand zone is right here. So yeah, so we came up, consolidated a bit, then again we're still bullish in a way. So let's see how we open up. TPO is something I also look at. Have we opened yet? So let's see if we open. 3 minutes to go, 2 minutes. So I do have CVD on my right. So let's then I put this one right there. Then okay, cool. So this was yesterday's. Okay, very area high. So at the moment we're pushing above this, and we are going to that yesterday's high. I think so. There is a divergence right here. So you're seeing CVD looking bearish, okay, and price looking bullish. Will we see like a divergence? We just have to wait and see. So at around 26,780, 26,780, around here there is a lower volume node. What is TPO saying? Okay, so we have like this single which was here. Candles are not closing above that, and we have tested 26,730. 26,730 was yesterday's cash. 740. That's overall. That's okay. Still okay. So yeah, let's see if we're trying to push. We have opened, and yeah. So let's see. First we reason, right? Struck bias, that's number one. Then high broken. I want candle to close right here. Okay. For a target of I will kind of wait. Like most of the time, I always tend to, get in. Then I get whooped. So I'll try it this time and wait for good setups. That looks good. That looks good, but still VWAP. It's around that place. Mind you, we have not closed above, so we still have buyers. So I'll get my first sell right here. Okay, why? We have trap buyers, and CVD is kind of looking bearish in a way. I don't know if it will push a bit. Let's wait for some time and see. Oh, I'll change this to 5 minutes so that we can see. So we are on that supply. Yeah, I'll just get in on that, then put stop loss right here, and I'll just target first of all the incoming right there. I'm basing it off of these trial buyers right here. So more buyers came in. That's number one. Then we try push lower. CVD looking good. So I'll move this one to break even. I'm not do the mistake of what I'll do is I'll just trail, which is kind of what I'll do right now. So I just put, I think, lower, try to push, and if it breaks, then I'll trail. I just put back. Let's see if we get stopped out. Supposed to be here. Still CVD. I'll just trail until view up a bit. I'll just trail. Still, I'm out. Beautiful trade. We are back on that demand zone, which is okay. We're up 183, which is fine. Nice trade. So we have already closed kind of down. So we might be targeting, we might be targeting this and this is what I'm gonna take. Okay, first this one to close, this candle to close down. That's number one. All right, and which has not happened. That's tricky. So I would love to see like buyers coming in, although there's something right here that I'm typically watching. This might be our resistance level. So let's see what TPO is doing right here. It's kind of testing that, and I think the next place to go is 26,765, but trap sellers right here. I haven't seen explode like a big chunk of this. Might be a clear indication of like we might be pushing to the lower side. So let's wait a bit. CVD is not in support of that, so this might be, I love to see buyers coming in above VWAP. But if you get more sellers around here, that would be a good indication like we might be pushing to break this low. We're still ranging. Let's see what price does around here. Let me get like a range. I want to see what price does. this would be a good break. If this is broken, then probability is we're gonna be seeing. Then let's see if it. I don't like how it just broke and it no close in. Yeah, now that's a good indication of this my hole. So I'll go back to 1 minute. Above here, that'll be my invalidated place. Because my strategy is clear. Any inversion that is invalidated, that mean there is a possibility and high chance that we push into the other side. So if this is taken out, then probability is we going up. So for in, so I think the next stop is POC. So I think if I don't get stopped out, I'll trail this to 26,741, 26,741, 26,741, around there. I don't like that this consolidation. There is no participation of, but CVD is looking more bullish. So a break of this, yeah, that trade is gone. Let's see what price does. Give you some more time. So on 5 minutes, then this is so it's supposed to be around 26 8 8 866 866 866. I think this will be giving back all what I had. Okay, let's see how it plays out. We tried it one more time. That consolidation is crazy, you know? It's consolidating on VWAP. I think I was early in the party. I could have waited like a breakout of this. This could have been, like this is the high. That breakout, you know. Yeah, but let's go. Let's see how price plays out. So apparently we're approaching, like in 3 minutes we'll be approaching like the 15 minutes um opening range breakout type of, opening breakout. So a break of that will mean we're heading to the upside. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out. CVD is still looking bullish. If we close, then that means this has turned to be you know a change of delivery, which means if we get out, then we have to look for buys. But let's see if we get invalidated. I think from a 15 minutes, a 5 minute inversion, kind of okay, I would say, because I have put above here, which would mean right now I'll be taken out of that trade, you know. So it's around 7. Let me just increase a bit to 7. All right. So 30 minutes is it's having a hard time breaking to the downside. Mind you, is still bullish. We did not close below this, so probability is we might be heading to the other side. But I'm in support of CVD. CVD is starting to be, it's preferring the other side. So I don't know how this turns out. So okay, let's see if we get stopped out of that trade. I'm just some few points above 5 minutes order block. Yeah, so 26750. Let's see if we get stopped out or we're still in this trade. Some few point. This will be out in the next top, then out. So this clearly means we are heading to the other side, according to our inversion. Iran has not yet decided to hold discussion on Friday. So Iran has decided, you know what? Yeah, not do this. So there were more sellers coming in right here. So we're out of that trade. We're negative $87. So we have to wait. See if we have another. More sellers trying to come in. More absorption. Let's see if this candle turns bearish. The 30 minutes looking more aggressive. I like how this buyers were invalidated. Let's see if we we have actually pushed, and I'll bet on that. I'll bet on this, then put stop loss above uh right here, that 5 minutes. CVD looking good, and we target 70, the POC 26 740 26 740. So I would love to see this one being broken. That would be good. Yeah, I think the entire market has picked the momentum of Iran has decided not to accept. Let's see if that minutes close was it taking liquidity or what? I just want to see CVD closing, with a little bit of, I don't want to see this support right here, like sellers being, absorbed. I just want to see a very big, massive blow to the face from CVD. And this will be my last trade of the day. It's 2 trades a day, 3 trades. That trade I always get it wrong, so we're just hoping this works out. But at the end of the day, we just go with the plan and not changing a single thing. So it's reacting from that VWAP. That's number one, and I like how it has closed from the CVD side. I like it way better than from the price side, but for sure, price is, I can't predict, but yeah, we just have to wait and see. I just need that low 1 minute low to be broken, because now I'm looking at 5 minutes to be broken, because there is a very big demand zone that it's kind of, and I like how 30 minutes is doing. Yeah, I like how 30 minutes is doing. So usually every single day I have to meet a target of $300 to 500. So you see me once 300 has hit, I definitely close. I don't like that. I don't like how price has done. That's number one. I don't like it. I don't like how it has done. So this is our invalidation place. I don't like how it has done. That's number one. I don't like it. Let's give it more time. So this doesn't look good. Okay, it has tested a 15 minutes opening break. That's number one. Number two, we have absorption from the seller side. Number three, we have buyers trying to push price higher, then we still on that view of, let's see if we have more sellers around here, not this, trying to take over, buyers trying to take over around here. That means probability this price has accepted to go higher. Yeah, this is not what we would love to see, but we just have to give it more time. It's just choppy. Choppy. No clear direction. We have sellers coming in large position, trying to push lower. Let's see if they'll get filled. And this is what the big players love. This will be very bad for sellers to be squeezed, you know, rather than get filled. Again, we do not have a breakout from this zone, which means there is a very big support right here. And if we get a big breakout, that would be good because now I'll be targeting this will not be hard to target previous day POC, which will be very good for a trade. But currently we just have to wait and see. But this is my last trade of the day. I don't cross 3 trades. And I think we'll be here for some time. Because we have really tried to tap on this inversion for some time, like the first like 1 2 10 minutes we just trying to get this actually right here. No, but this one was breakout then. Okay, so this is currently where we are. We just tapped on that, and cash session yesterday. Then we tried again, you know, ETH POC. And now we just have to wait. The next target will be this edge right here, 26,765. Is it not hitting there? 26 675. Yeah, around the POC. Let's see what 1 hour is doing. One hour is also trying. Which 1 hour is also trying to break up, but still on that consolidation, just consolidating. There's nothing much going on. I think at this point it's just we fade. That's the only way we can do, uh, because I don't think we will be having other than like trades other than not fading and you know trying to look for good entries to a zone or an area of interest. Can you believe like we just view up to the high to the low, high low? That would mean just consolidating. Like I don't like this support right here, and this support doesn't look good at all. A breakout of this, that means we'll be taking out this demand zone, supply zone right here. Acceptance of higher than this to be a clear indication that uh, we have agreed that we might try and get this high, test this high. More sellers saying we really needs to get this price to the downside. Let's see if we get squeezed. So we're above that high, which is this, and this is what I was saying. Like when this is inverted, probability is this one will be taken because this is the highest high, all right, which is around 26,902, 902. Yeah. So already sellers have been squeezed, and we have a support from the CVD. So this is just a clear indication, like we have accepted to go higher. There's nothing more to it. So if we get violated right there, then we're out, which is just in the next couple of minutes and stuff. As you can see, sellers were absorbed. Then we have a support of CVD to go higher, and our stop loss is above here 24.0, 26,902. So that changed. Then this is our new support. Still back at A7. Also, if my strategy is if we get inverted, also on the CVD, probability is we're going higher or lower, uh, in whichever way we're heading. So more buyers coming in. This battle is all for type of fading in. Maybe later we're gonna see price move in, but for now I think we're just consolidating and fading. That's what we're just doing. So I think this could be my, if we close there, then this will be a good, because all these buyers have been absorbed. So we are heading to the other side. But we're back to that 5 minutes support. Let's see if we get more sellers coming in to support this area. So it's good how we closed below that, and I'd love to see this was not broken. I believe. Okay, it was broken. Then so this is our lowest low. Okay, let's see how price does. I think this will get stopped out. 500 is our max daily loss, and this might be where we get stopped out. Mhm. And this is a clear indication of heading to the upside. So we just have to take, if we, yeah, we're done for the day. Yeah, that's a clear indication we're out and done for the day. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.